homework today is going to be the front only. Dear Alex, make sure that you go to tutoring after school, room 23. Miss J will be there. So go in there knowing what you want help in. You can go in there and be like, can you guys help me? I still don't understand how to add fractions. I don't know how to change that top number. And then they can help you. If you go in there knowing what you need help with, it's a lot easier for everybody to help. So adding integers day 3, your homework is only going to be the front, Alex, and room 23. All right, so today what we're going to do is how do you add more than 2 numbers? So that's what's going to be today's lesson.
That's so easy.
Is it, Alex?
5th grade math.
5th grade math. All right, let's do it. Let's do the 5th grade math that Alex already knows how to do. All right. Adding. All right, adding 3 or more integers. Today I forgot to write the date. All right, adding 3 or more integers. All right. Okay, so if I give you -5 plus 6 plus -7 plus 3, how many numbers did I just write down?
4.
I wrote down 4 numbers, right? So who can tell me one strategy that I can use to add these 4 numbers? Yes?
You add all the ones that have same signs.
Yep.
And after that you subtract.
Yeah, very good. I like your strategy. So I'm going to circle my negative numbers. So these are my negative numbers. I'm going to add the ones that are negative. So
what? -12 plus 9. That's 12 positive 9.
yeah. So we take it a little bit slower for everybody, but it seems like you got it. Okay, chill. Let me see what's the answer. I don't see it. I don't see it. Good. All right. Good job. Okay. So we have these 2 negative. I'm going to put the 2 negatives together. -5 plus -7. What is -5 plus -7? So this gives me -12. The 2 negative numbers give me -12. Now I'm going to underline the positive numbers. I'm going to underline the positive numbers. And I'm going to put those 2 together. I'm going to put those 2 together. So, what's 6 plus 3?
9.
This is 9. So, you have 2 problems in 1. You have 2 problems in 1. All right. So now that I have my 2 problems, we are 2 numbers, 2 answers. We're going to add these 2 together right here. We're going to add these 2 together. What is -12 plus 9?
Positive 3. Negative 3.
Yes. So this one's negative. This one's a positive. So they're different, right? So we're going to subtract. And we get 3. Now, do you have more negatives or do you have more positives?
More
negative.
More negatives. So my final answer is -3. Good. So we have all of these numbers. The way we tackle it is we add all the negatives first, then the positives, and then at the end, put those 2 together. And because they're different signs, we're going to subtract. We're going to subtract. All right. Let's write these numbers down. 12 plus -7 plus 4 plus -1. So we're writing this down. Everybody's writing this down. Juliana, we're writing this down. 12 plus -7. If I want to put parentheses here, I can put parentheses just to keep the negative together. Those parentheses, they're just keeping the negative number in a nice little pocket. Okay, I see it. Good job. Okay. All right, so let me circle the negative numbers. circling the negative numbers. Adding the negative numbers. Adding the negative numbers. Okay, so these two numbers are negative, so we're going to write them on our paper. We're writing, we're focusing, eyes up here. You didn't write negative 7 plus negative 1. That. I'm disappointed. Start crying. Alright. What's negative 7 plus negative 1?
Negative 8.
Good. This gives me negative 8. So that's half the problem. Then the other half is actually way easier. Your positive numbers. What's 12 plus 4?
16.
16. Okay, now I'm going to combine these two. This is a negative, this is a positive. So are they the same or are they different? Different, so you're going to subtract. If they're different, subtract. If they're different, subtract. What's 16 minus 8? 8. Do you have more negatives or do you have more positives? More positives, so my final answer is 8. Positive 8. Okay? Alright. What if I only give you 3 numbers?
Easy. Already gone home.
5.
Alright. Add the 2 positives. What's 3 plus 12?
15.
15. Plus negative 10. Is there anything I can combine the negative 10 with at the beginning? No. Nope. So you kind of just bring it straight down, since there's just 3 numbers, right? And now the last thing we got to do is this problem. What's negative 10 plus 15?
5.
Positive 5. There's more positives than there are negatives. We had to subtract because the signs are different. So if they're different, you subtract them. If they're the same, you put them together. Different, subtract, same, add. Okay? All right. Are there any questions so far?
Nope.
No? We all wrote this all down. Nice and neat.
So easy.
So easy. Good job.
Worksheet. Less.
Okay. Little worksheet. So, first thing,
Can we start?
yeah. All right. Figure it out. They're going to figure it out. First thing is all the negatives you're going to add together. So, Chris, we're going to add negative 11 plus negative 8.
Already got it.
Negative 11 plus negative 8 is what?
Negative 19.
Negative 19. Then I'm going to add the 2 positives. What's 4 plus 2? 4 plus 2? 6. And then I'm going to put these two together. Negative 19 plus 6 is? Negative 13. Because the signs are different, we're going to subtract. Because the signs are different, we're going to subtract.